She wants to laugh at you. She's 4 months old today. Say happy birthday. Sing happy birthday to her.
Birthday to you.
Look at her, though. Where she can see you. Hi.
You.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Bubba, don't cover her face up, buddy. Bubba, make her laugh. Go ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding. Ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding. Be nice. Bubba, look at her. Look at her eyes. Mitchell, let go of her, let go of her hands. Let go of her feet. Stop. Mitchell, stop, honey. Mitchell, look at her and talk to her. Stop. Let go of her head. Let go of her head. Let go of her head. Gently. Gently. Hi. Let go of her head. Stop. Cover her up nicely like a nice big brother.
Okay. Now what to be nice?
There you go. Alright, to cover her up. Alright, let her go. Let her. She's okay. She's okay. Say hi, Chloe, little kicker. Hey, why don't you shake your booty for her? Trying to get her to laugh. You gotta make her laugh. Say hi. Hi, Chloe. 4 months old today.